Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to duplicate a photo on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up Google Chrome. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to office.com and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. Navigate to OneDrive. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Admin, My Files, and now click on the 2024 folder that we have been working on and within across the last tutorials. So right click the top, and now to duplicate this folder, what we can is go to the top and click on Copy To. It should now open up a new window within the web browser. Let's now create a brand new folder, and let's call this folder 2024-2. Keep it the same color, click on Create, and now copy that folder into this folder, and that should have generated on screen. And after a quick refresh of the page, there we have 2024-2 with the contents within that folder. So we can now go back to My Files. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.